design, so I asked my friend Carlos Diaz, who is a director of award-winning Western short films and documentaries, to give it a go. He took him out to a set one night and compared them to the Wireless Go 2s for me. We're going to now test those sound qualities, and we'll take a look at what you get for the price.
Hey.
Your AC is still not working?
The windows are down. Just go take a bus then.
No, it's fine. Let's just... No, you take the bus.
It's my car. Hey.
Your AC is still not working?
The windows are down. Just go take a bus then.
No, it's fine. Let's just go. You know what? Why don't you take a bus?
It's my car.
Whatever. Let's go.
I think we can all agree that's a ridiculously well-lit scene for an audio test. Now, Director Diaz noted that when testing with just the device, which is how he would normally run this, he feels like the road is a little bit richer and the sound is a little bit fuller, but that the iRay is usable and, you know, in a pinch, he would be able to use it. For me, when I look at the price of $229 versus $135, it's a significant difference and something that's material, especially if you're running a YouTube channel where you might need one or two people to interview. Here I'm using the iRay with the lav mic that was included with it, and frankly, listening to it in post, it sounds pretty good. Now, I would potentially tweak it a little bit to take out some resonance at certain frequencies, but overall, really good sound, especially for that price.